What's going on, guys? We're going to talk about Nvidia. If you guys watched my video from last night, I talked about huge short potential in Nvidia through Friday's lows. Now, the reason we were looking at that, if you kind of look at Friday's lows and you look at Thursday's lows, that price of around 450, 140s, a couple of us in the Evolution Traders Discord took that trade this morning on the live stream. Also, guys, I just want to kind of point out, this is going to be the last 24, 36 hours where I'm going to take two more people into the Evolution Traders for lifetime members and then kind of cap it off, just due to the fact that I'm getting at least 3 to 4 1 hour coaching sessions a day, and it's really spreading my schedule thin. So I only realistically have time for 2 more. So if you do want to take advantage of that one-time payment where you guys can get access to the community, courses, watch list, chat room, one-on-one coachings, and the live streams, visit evolutiontraders.com, become a lifetime member. But the short position on Nvidia that we took this morning, I actually took it short and then also bounced the Nvidia as well, that you guys can kind of see on that live stream. But this level here was a big level. There was a lot of potential. So if we go to the 1 hour time frame and we really look at what was going on a 1 hour time frame, I want to point something out, right? So this 1 hour time frame here, this 1 hour time frame not only takes out the pre-market lows, so that 456 was an early entry on the pre-market lows, and then our entry that we looked to take this morning was the loss, right? The loss of Friday's lows. And you can see that 452.80s, that 452 area was a big potential spot. Now, if we come down to the 5-minute time frame, I want you guys to notice something, okay? So again, we got that 20 SMA set up right off the bell. As soon as the market opened, it confirmed you could have actually jumped it at 461 into the next area of demand of 457. This would have been a one and done trade for a lot of people, a $2 to $3 move off the open in the first 5-minute candle. Now, the second setup was going to be a loss of the 200. The loss of the 200 was from 457 down to what? Friday's lows of 452.50s. So if you look at that particular play, this play also confirmed, and it lasted about 5 minutes, and it was about 4 to 5 points. Now, there was a second position after that. If I pull up the big chart, and I want to show you guys the big chart and what things were looking like on the big chart this morning on the 5-minute time frame. So let me take off that drawing that I had. Again, if we notice this bottom linear regression that was sitting down here at around 450 and a half, and actually the low wick was at around 450 even, right? 450 even. If you look at the 6:40 a.m. candle, it confirms the bottom of this channel in what would have been our potential, guys, the next level of demand. So essentially, it gave you 3 opportunities to go short. That's why yesterday in the video, I said there's a huge short potential on the video. We should have all been looking and had eyes focused on the video. That last short position came below 449.93. And we would have been looking to take profits into the linear regression. Now, if you guys are interested in learning how to play this chart and how you guys can utilize this chart that you're looking at on the screen so you guys can be profitable and consistent, become a lifetime member. I do one-on-one coaching. We've got the community in there with other traders who are currently using this chart. There's a lot of helpful courses and tools and videos that are not on YouTube, and a lot of chit chat that's going on that'll really help you guys. Because again, at the end of the day, when you're sitting there at the computer screen by yourself, kind of wondering, why are some particular trades not working? Why are some particular trades, stopping you out, or why are you losing? Or, why do you maybe win 2 or 3 trades and then one trade kind of wipes out all those profits and puts you right back? Again, let's figure it out why. Either it's an emotional reason or a technical reason, but we can fix whatever the reason is, and then we can start to work on these over the next 20 trades, right? Over the next series of trades, whatever your issue is. But if you guys are interested, evolutiontraders.com, you guys can get all that access there. But this was a beautiful trade setup. Now we're kind of just essentially going sideways. I would like to see a continuation breakdown below 443 for more moves to the downside, or we're really going to need to go to this hour chart and start to reclaim the 5-day moving average, and that's getting over 450. Over 450 is going to have room to around 453, so you might have a little bit of a dead cat bounce scalp there. But again, hope you guys are all profitable today. Good luck to the rest of you guys who are still trading. And also, if you guys are green, consider chopping it up for the day. There's no reason to kind of force trades and just sit here all day. Just because the market is open doesn't necessarily mean that we need to be trading every single tick, every single move, right? So again, be patient out there. If you guys need the help, we're here to offer it. And also, just, have the discipline to kind of walk away when you're green on the day. And hell, you know, if you're red on the day, come back tomorrow. The market is always open. We'll see you guys on the next trade, and we'll see you guys on the next video.